A quick fun video for you this week. Here's how to take your own historical art selfie in Google Arts and Culture. As soon as you launch the app, tap on the camera icon on the bottom toolbar. From here you're going to choose Art Selfie. When you take your selfie, make sure you've got a plain background behind you, as in my experience a busy background can detract from the overall results. Straight away, Google Arts and Culture will start searching its enormous database to try and find self-portraits or portraits that look like you. It's never going to be 100% perfect, but the results are pretty impressive. You can see from my results here there are some very handsome chaps that have turned up, mainly with my curly hair and glasses. You can tap onto any of these to view more details or to view the picture larger, and again with Google Arts and Culture you can zoom right in to see every single brushstroke on the page. If you find a portrait you particularly like, by an artist who perhaps you haven't heard of before, you can then delve into more information about that artist and also more pieces of art by the same creator. It's a really fun way of exploring new artists and new pictures that you may not have seen before, and for children in your class it's a really fun activity to get them engaging in the world of art.